Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to fix an issue with the wireless connection when you get this error message. After running troubleshooting, it says the Windows wireless service is not running on this computer. So in order to fix this issue, first we'll be checking if the service for wireless is enabled or not. So press Windows and R, which will open up a run window. In the run window you need to type services.msc and press enter. So once you have the services window open, click anywhere and press W as in whiskey and locate a service that says WLAN Autoconfig. So this service is not running at the moment, which might be the cause of problem. So double click on it and change it from manual to automatic and click on start. And then click on apply and click OK. So now the service is running. Probably the issue will be fixed. And if for some reason you are not able to start this service, then you will have to make some changes in Registry. So press Windows and R again, and in the run window you need to type regedit, that is regedit, and click OK. Click yes on user account control, and from the left hand side click on the arrow to expand HKey local machine, and then expand system, then current control set, then services, then scroll towards the bottom and click on WLAN SVC. Now you'll see at the right hand side there will be something called start. You need to double click that and make sure the value data is number 2, and then click OK, and then close the registry editor and go back through the services window by pressing and holding the Windows key and push letter R and type services.msc and press enter. Now click anywhere and press W and click on WLAN Autoconfig. Now you will be able to start this service. It is already started in my computer because I did that earlier. So that's all you need to do, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. You have a great day. Bye bye.